12 Most Terrifying Hybrid Animals in the World. When we think about the natural world, we generally believe that different animal species cannot interbreed due to genetic and lifestyle differences. However, with the intervention of technology and humans, many bizarre and fascinating hybrid creatures have emerged. These animals were often created for scientific, agricultural, or medical purposes, and while they may be controversial, they showcase the power of modern biotechnology. Let's take a closer look at the 12 most astonishing and shocking hybrid animals in the world. 12th, the Liger. Lastly, the Liger is a hybrid between a male lion and a female tiger. While they have massive bodies, they tend to be slow-moving and more susceptible to illnesses, leading to a low survival rate in the wild. However, some zoos around the world have successfully raised healthy ligers, helping to preserve this peculiar hybrid species. The liger stands as a testament to both the power and the risks of genetic engineering. 11. Insulin-Producing Cows. Cows that can produce insulin are one of the most remarkable breakthroughs in genetic engineering. The biotechnology company New Dar in Argentina succeeded in implanting human insulin-producing genes into fertilized cow eggs, enabling the cows to produce milk containing insulin. This technology has made diabetes treatment easier, reducing treatment costs and meeting the needs of tens of thousands of patients. The creation of insulin-producing cows has shown the huge potential of biotech applications in medicine. The plant spider. The plant spider is a result of genetic experiments between the Australian wolf spider and a type of fern. Scientists conducted this experiment to understand the camouflage capabilities of spiders in nature. Through this combination, the hybrid spiders developed the ability to blend in with plants, helping them avoid predators and increasing their chances of survival. Although the results of this experiment have not been widely publicized, it brings promising potential for developing camouflage technology for animals and even humans. 9. The Blood-Transfusion Dog. In a groundbreaking emergency procedure, American scientists discovered a way to revive dogs that had suffered severe blood loss. By inducing near-death conditions in the dogs and then injecting them with artificial blood and stimulating them with electric shocks, they were able to revive the animals and bring them back to life. While this method shows great promise for emergency medicine, many of the surviving dogs suffered irreversible brain damage, raising concerns about the ethics and safety of such procedures. 8. The mutant salmon. Huge salmon that are 2 to 3 times larger than normal ones are no longer a rare sight, thanks to genetic engineering. Scientists combined salmon genes with those from Atlantic cod and Chinook salmon, resulting in rapid growth and significantly larger sizes compared to regular salmon. This allows aquaculture companies to increase productivity and profits. These mutant salmon have been tested and certified as safe for human consumption and the environment, making this method one of the most popular in commercial fish farming. 7. The flying lizard. A genetic engineer in Zimbabwe believed that a small African lizard species might be a descendant of the extinct flying dinosaur. He began studying and decoding the dormant genes for flight within the lizard, and after years of effort, he managed to create 6 lizards capable of gliding through the air, just like flying dinosaurs of the past. Although these flying lizards are kept separate to avoid hybridization risks, this experiment remains a major achievement in genetics, opening up new possibilities for studying extinct species and evolutionary biology. 6. The featherless chicken. The featherless chicken is a breed designed to adapt to hot climates, particularly in the Middle East and Africa. By crossbreeding specific chicken breeds, scientists created chickens that lack feathers, enabling them to cope with high temperatures without the need for cooling systems, thus saving on energy costs for farms. Additionally, these chickens don't need to be plucked during processing, increasing production efficiency. Though there were rumors that they were products of fast food chains, the featherless chicken has been recognized as an economically viable and environmentally friendly farming solution. 5. The Lemur Cat. In the high-end pet market, the demand for unique and exotic animals has never diminished. And the Lemur Cat, a hybrid between a cat and a lemur, is one of these products. Developed to combine the soft fur and colors of cats with the distinctive body markings and golden eyes of lemurs, this hybrid pet has become quite popular. Although adorable, the lemur cat tends to be more aggressive than regular cats, a trait that might appeal to those who love exotic pets. This hybrid creation not only shows the power of technology, but also raises ethical questions about altering animal genes to satisfy market demands. The glowworm. In the 1990s, the cotton industry in the U.S. faced a crisis due to pests that severely reduced crop yields. To solve this problem, scientists created glowworms, a type of worm that cannot reproduce but can thrive in the wild. By releasing these glowworms into the fields, they outcompeted the harmful pests, protecting the crops without the need for chemical pesticides. Additionally, the scientists added fluorescent markers to the glowworms, making it easier to track and study them, aiding in research and field surveys. However, the use of genetic modification to sterilize organisms raises many concerns about the ecosystem and ethics. The lion dog. The lion dog is the result of one of the boldest attempts to merge DNA between different animal species. Created by implanting lion DNA into fertilized dog eggs, only 3 hybrids survived, with Rex being one of them. Rex has the body of a dog, but is covered in a thick, shaggy mane like a lion, giving him a unique and peculiar appearance. The creation of the lion dog not only showcases the capabilities of genetic engineering, but also opens up many debates about the ethics and safety of these scientific experiments. If technology continues to advance, could we see even more bizarre hybrids in the future? 2. The transparent frog dissecting frogs for educational purposes is nothing new in biology classes, but it can be unsettling for many students. To address this issue and reduce the number of frogs sacrificed, scientists created a semi-transparent frog by combining genes from the glass frog found in South America with laboratory frogs. These new frogs have thin, see-through skin, allowing students to directly observe the internal organs, blood vessels, and eggs without the need for dissection. This not only saves animal lives, but also enhances biology education, helping students better understand animal. 1. The human ear mouse. The human ear mouse is one of the most controversial experiments in the history of tissue engineering. In the late 20th century, engineer Bob Langer from MIT and biologist Charles Vacanti from Harvard University conducted research to create human cartilage tissue on the body of a hairless mouse, a species with a weak immune system. They implanted an artificial ear structure made from synthetic cartilage onto the mouse's back to test the survival and growth of the tissue. As a result, the human ear developed along with the mouse's body, demonstrating the potential of tissue regeneration and offering a solution for patients who had lost ears or had deformities. When this experiment was publicized in 1997 and shown in a BBC documentary, it sparked widespread debate and became a symbol of the possibilities of tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. Biotechnology has opened up endless possibilities for creating hybrid animals, but these advancements also come with ethical and safety challenges. Each of these hybrids carries its own unique potential and story. What do you think about these bizarre hybrid creatures?